A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
How does it end? What about W?
I take up come on fire.
You want what to happen in the fire?
Mommy's fire.
We're having a picnic by the fire, huh? This is a yummy food. What are you eating?
Bread.
Bread? What are you drinking?
Water.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Looks like you spilled your crackers too, so let's pick these up.
No.
Yeah, they don't belong on the carpet. There we go. Okay, say goodbye.